Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Voiceflow Chatbot to Wix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, go to your Voiceflow account and then open up one of your chatbots. Now from here, just click on Integrations from left side and then click on Widget, and then click on the copy icon to copy this code. Next is go to your Wix website and then go to the page where you want to add the widget. So I'll just go to this page and scroll down since I want to add the widget at the bottom. I'll just add it here, then click on the plus icon, and then click on Embed Code, then on Popular Embeds, and then click on Embed HTML. Now from here, just paste the code that you copied earlier, and then click on Update. Close this, and then drag this here since I want to add the chatbot here. Now click Anywhere, and then just click on Save, and then click on Preview. Now this is what your site would look like. So in order to check if your chatbot works, just click on it, and there you go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Voiceflow Chatbot to Wix. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.